Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So I opened the front door this morning and I got my cup turner. I can't wait because I'm so excited. I wanted to start doing wine glasses, so that's the reason that I got this. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. I bought it off Amazon. I want to say it was like $40 something. I could check for you guys. Let me open it up though first and show you guys what's in here. Yeah. So that's what the name of the company is called, NODDWAY. Ooh, cool, I get 30 to 50% off. Okay, so let's see what else they have on their site since I got that. So then it comes with all the little nuts and bolts and the screws. It came with 2 silicone cups and 2 silicone stirrers. The instruction manual, which I will be needing for sure. And then the metal piece that these turners will connect to. And of course I got pink because I love it. And then all the little foam balls. So 2 of them are bigger and 2 of them are smaller, which is perfect because this seems like the size of the wine glasses and the cups. Actually, I can even test it out right here. Let's see, this is a mug that I'm going to be working on. Cool! See, that's the size of a mug. Whoosh. And this is like more for bigger cups and like probably the tumblers and stuff, so it could go. Okay. So perfect. So then it came with all 4 of those things. And these are some more little attachments that they have. The bars that these will be holding on to. The little turners. And the cup turner base. Alright. Alright, so let's go ahead and take off all these little plastic things. Okay. Let's open this up and see how we're going to do it. Ooh, cool. Simple, easy steps. So 1, fit the monitor with the base by screws. So these already have screws right here, so I'm guessing I'm just going to put the monitor on it. Let me open this guy up. Okay, so we got the on and off button. So it looks like this is going to go right here on the screws like it just said. Alright, next, now we're going to use the spanner to fasten the M4 screws. So we're going to take our little bag right here, get the screws that they're talking about. Alright, so we got these little... So we're going to use these little guys to tighten it with this little wrench that they gave us. Yet. There we go. It's supposed to go that way. Now I tighten the little bolts on. Yeah, please. Okay, so while he's playing a game right now and he's about to end it, so let me just leave those little two guys unscrewed. Because then once you guys get them screwed in, so now let's see what the third step is. Okay, so some more screws. Okay, I need you to screw these little guys in right here. That one right there, and then this one right here. Please. And then I'm going to start screwing in these pink handles. So it comes with the little holders. I'll let you guys read a little bit while he's doing that. So these are all the pieces that it comes with. That part, the base, those little guys, all the little scrunchy things, and these. Yeah, that must not be the rest of that one. Okay. Alright, so then now it's time for the next piece. Now we're going to screw, so you see how I have this standing here? We're going to screw some bolts in the bottom. So, these are going to go from the bottom, and then this is going to get screwed from the top. This piece. So like this. So these have like little, pop those eyes out. So once you pop those little black pieces out, sorry guys, these nails. Okay, so now we're going to take this piece and screw it in, like so. That piece is going to go on the bottom, and then that other piece is going to go on top, like this. Okay, so right here guys, I am fastly screwing these in. I did a little time lapse because it took me a little while to screw these in because of my nails. So I'm just putting the two little railings on right now.
exactly what